Welcome to this overview of line balancing. So, what is line balancing? Well, it's about everyone doing the same amount of work. So doing the same amount of work to customer requirements. The variation is smoothed, no one is overburdened, and no one's waiting for work. So everyone's working together in a balanced fashion. So here's an example of a typical line balance chart. It's a visual production tool that enables the planning and organisation of individual timed items of work to create the foundation for a balanced production line. This can be used in a manufacturing environment or an office environment. I've used this in financial services as well as many other back office environments, along with obviously major manufacturing environments. It's used as a tool to continuously drive out waste from operations and processes. It's also a valuable tool in implementing changes in customer demand. So here's a simple example. So we have operator 1 overproducing. This causes the other six wastes. Operator 2 is overburdened. Operator 3 has to wait for operator 2, and operator 4 has to wait for operator 3. So what do? We redistribute some of the work, smooth the flow of work, and balance the line. This promotes one-piece flow, avoids overburden, minimises the 7 wastes, and reduces variation. So, prerequisites to line balancing. First of all, we have to calculate the takt time. We've got to understand the drumbeat of the customer. We also need to have in place standardised work, standard operating procedures. These allow us to achieve consistency in our operations, enable us to achieve our customers' requirements by managing our production effectively. Variation in our operations demands more human intervention, which increases the risk of human error. So first of all, takt time. Takt is a German word, describes a metronome. It's the principle that all activity within a business is synchronized by a pulse set by the customer demand. Takt equals total time available divided by total customer demand. So in this example, customer demand 10 units a month, total time available 20 days. So your takt equals your total time available divided by your total customer demand. Drumbeat, 1 part every 2 days. Each process needs to complete 1 unit every 2 days. Next, we'll look at methods of standardization, so a standard work layout chart. This allows us to capture the layout of work, to see how the work flows, and to highlight any key information. A standard operating procedure, a one best way, a work instruction sheet. I've heard them call many things. It literally tells you the how of doing the piece of work. So it's not just what to do, it's the knack, it's how to do it as well. So just have a think for a moment about the benefits of the prerequisites. So benefits of takt time and standard operations. What do you think they are? Well, takt time maximises the productivity due to easily managed processes and the output of each process matching customer demand. Standard operations provide capable and repeatable processes, process control at source, improves accuracy of planning, gives you better adherence to plans, gives you a platform from which continuous improvement can be made, reduces costs, improves quality, and gives you a very good basis for training.